Hello and welcome. In this short micro demo, we're going to be covering Pendo's in-app messaging for mobile applications. Have you ever wanted to deploy in-app messaging, tooltips, or polls and surveys to your users easily without having to update your app? Well, you can do that with Pendo. Here we're going to be going through a sample that we built for Pandemonium 2024 that contains a mixture of these different use cases and how it all works. First, we're going to jump into managing the guide itself. Here we are in the visual designer where we can edit and change all of the different steps of our guides. From here, we can choose to add templates from our saved layouts to any guides that we have. Or we can edit any of the contents very simply by adding different rows and using building. With Pendo, you can pair your device directly to Pendo and actually play with the guide live on your device before you ship it. Here we can see Pendo guides support animations, transitions between each of our steps, and also the ability to collect qualitative feedback from our users. Excellent, right? For any of the guides that we deploy with Pendo, we can actually go ahead and see their performance. Pendo collects all of the different guide metrics of interactions with your guides, so you can keep track of who has seen your guide, who hasn't seen your guide, and also additional details about how much time they spend on the guide and if they drop off along any points along the way. We can also go ahead and see any of the poll responses too. And very simply add these into dashboards for easy tracking. And that's how you can build guides for your mobile applications using Pendo.